If your daydreams feel like movie trailers of success, you're a visionary ready to make big moves. Dreamers, gather round. Imagine this. You, victorious, standing atop your very own mountain of achievements. Now hold that picture in your mind. This isn't just daydreaming, it's a powerhouse tool called visualization. By vividly picturing your success, you're programming your brain to recognize and pursue the paths that lead there. Think about it. When you visualize every detail, from the triumphs to the challenges, prepares you mentally and emotionally. It's like a rehearsal where the stakes are your wildest dreams. So close your eyes. See yourself crushing those goals. Feel the exhilaration, the pride, the unstoppable joy. This isn't just fantasy, it's the blueprint of your future. Visualization isn't just thinking, it's doing. It turns I wish into I will and dreams into reality. And remember, every big achievement started as a vision in someone's mind. Ready to turn your dreams into reality? Hit that subscribe button, join our community, and start shaping your future today.